Have you noticed tingling hands or weak legs as you age? Today we'll reveal 7 collagen-rich fruits that can help you regain strength and vitality after 50. Let's dive in and discover how simple, delicious fruits can support your body from the inside out. Let's explore some incredible fruits, starting with a true powerhouse. First up, the kiwi, a seemingly small fruit, often overlooked, but packed with big benefits for your overall health and well-being. It's a nutritional champion in a compact package. Kiwi is absolutely loaded with vitamin C, far more than many other fruits you might reach for. In fact, it's a vitamin C superstar. And vitamin C is the key nutrient your body needs to effectively make collagen, the protein that keeps your skin youthful and vibrant. Collagen also plays a vital role in supporting healthy nerves and muscles, ensuring they function at their best. It's essential for maintaining strength and mobility. Eating kiwi regularly as part of a balanced diet can significantly help reinforce your body's connective tissues, contributing to greater flexibility and resilience. This reinforcement can be particularly beneficial in reducing tingling sensations in your extremities and even boosting leg strength, helping you stay active and mobile as you age. It's about maintaining an active lifestyle. It's incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. Add it to your breakfast, whether it's sliced on top of yogurt, mixed into your oatmeal, or blended into a smoothie. Or enjoy it as a refreshing and healthy snack for a daily dose of self-care. It's a simple pleasure that provides significant benefits. So don't underestimate this fuzzy fruit. It may be small, but it's mighty. It's a simple and delicious way to build resilience from the inside out, supporting your body's natural defenses and promoting overall well-being. Next time you see a kiwi at the grocery store or farmer's market, remember all the good it can do for you. It's more than just a fruit. It's your partner in strength, vitality, and a healthier, happier you. Now meet Guava, the tropical powerhouse. Guava packs 4 to 5 times more vitamin C than an orange, supercharging your body's collagen production. This means stronger muscles, better nerve protection, and less tingling or weakness. Enjoy guava fresh or in smoothies for a burst of strength and stability. Every bite helps reinforce your body's foundation. Guava is a delicious way to feel more capable and confident. Oranges are a classic for a reason. Their steady supply of vitamin C supports collagen, keeps nerves healthy, and strengthens muscles. Oranges are easy to add to your routine: juice, snack, or salad. Simple, accessible, and effective for daily wellness. Sometimes, the best self-care is as easy as peeling an orange. Strawberries bring more than sweetness. They're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Antioxidants protect your nerves from damage, while vitamin C builds and repairs collagen. This combo helps reduce tingling and keeps muscles strong. Add strawberries to cereal, smoothies, or enjoy them whole for a boost of vitality. They're a joyful, powerful choice for nerve and muscle health. Let strawberries be your daily defense and builder. Papaya is gentle, soothing, and rich in vitamin C. It also contains papain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation, a common cause of nerve discomfort. Papaya supports collagen production and calms irritated nerves. Enjoy it fresh, in salads or smoothies for comfort and repair. Each bite helps rebuild strength and ease tingling. Papaya is a natural way to support your body's healing. Mangoes are more than a treat. They're packed with vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin C builds collagen, while vitamin A helps repair and maintain healthy muscle cells. This duo keeps your muscles strong and resilient as you age. Enjoy mangoes sliced in salsas or blended for a delicious boost. Every bite supports your strength from the inside out. Mangoes help you move with confidence and power. Let's explore a natural wonder, a tiny fruit packed with immense benefits. Meet the Acerola cherry, the ultimate vitamin C powerhouse. This vibrant fruit isn't just another pretty face. It's a nutritional champion, brimming with antioxidants and essential vitamins. Just a small amount delivers up to 100 times more vitamin C than an orange. That's right, a single Acerola cherry can outshine even the most celebrated citrus fruits in terms of vitamin C content. This makes it an exceptional choice for boosting your immune system and overall health. This supercharge helps your body rapidly build collagen, the protein responsible for maintaining skin elasticity, joint health, and the strength of connective tissues. As we age, our natural collagen production declines, making Acerola cherry an invaluable ally in preserving youthful vitality. Supporting nerves and muscles. Collagen isn't just about aesthetics, it plays a crucial role in supporting the structural integrity of your entire body, ensuring optimal function and resilience. Acerola is often found as a powder or juice, making it incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Add it to smoothies or water for a potent boost. Its slightly tart flavor blends seamlessly with other ingredients, enhancing both the taste and nutritional value of your favorite beverages. It's a game changer for anyone needing extra support, whether you're an athlete looking to enhance performance, someone recovering from an injury, or simply seeking to maintain overall well-being. Acerola cherry is nature's most powerful tool for collagen and strength. Embrace the power of this remarkable fruit and unlock your body's full potential. There you have it, a glimpse into the incredible potential that lies within you to transform your health and vitality after 50. It's never too late to embark on a journey towards a stronger, more vibrant you. Remember, this isn't about drastic changes or unattainable goals. It's about making small, sustainable choices that accumulate over time, leading to significant improvements in your overall well-being. 7 fruits, each a powerhouse of nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants, ready to fuel your body and revitalize your spirit. These aren't just any fruits. They're carefully selected to provide you with the essential building blocks for optimal health. Think of them as nature's multivitamins, packed with goodness and bursting with flavor, to help you feel stronger and more vibrant after 50. It's about rediscovering your energy, embracing an active lifestyle, and feeling confident in your own skin. Imagine waking up each day with a renewed sense of vitality, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. This is the power of nourishing your body from the inside out. Start by adding just 1 to your routine. Don't feel overwhelmed by the prospect of changing everything at once. Choose 1 fruit that appeals to you and incorporate it into your daily diet. Maybe it's a handful of berries with your breakfast, a juicy apple as an afternoon snack, or a refreshing slice of watermelon after dinner. And notice the difference. Pay attention to how your body feels, how your energy levels fluctuate, and how your mood improves. You might be surprised at the positive impact even a small change can have. This is about becoming more attuned to your body's needs and responding with mindful choices. Small, consistent choices lead to lasting change. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every healthy choice you make, no matter how small, contributes to your overall well-being. Think of it as building a strong foundation, 1 brick at a time. You have the power to nourish and strengthen your body. You are in control of your health journey. Embrace this power and make choices that support your well-being. Remember, you deserve to feel your best, and you have the ability to make it happen. Every day. Make each day an opportunity to prioritize your health and well-being. Incorporate healthy habits into your daily routine and watch as they transform your life. Share this video if it inspired you. Spread the message of health and vitality to your friends and family. Let's create a community of empowered individuals who are committed to living their healthiest lives. And subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. We'll be sharing more insights, recipes, and strategies to help you thrive after 50. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn and grow with us. Until next time, take care of yourself. Remember, you are worth the effort. Prioritize your well-being and make choices that support your health and happiness, and enjoy every delicious step of your journey. Embrace the process, savor the flavors, and celebrate your progress along the way. Your health journey is a gift to yourself, so enjoy every moment.